Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by generating and locating the Jupyter config file. Run Jupyter Notebook generate config now. This creates Jupyter Notebook config. In your Jupyter folder. Once done, open that file in a text editor you prefer, for example Nano, Notepad, or VS Code. You do this because changing the default directory is a configuration level change, not a per launch flag. Make sure to note the full absolute path you want as the new notebook directory before editing the file. Now edit the configuration to point Jupyter at your chosen folder. Find the line with C. Notebook app. Notebook dir, remove the leading hash, and set it to the absolute path you prepared. For Windows, use escaped backslashes or a raw literal. Once saved, you can also temporarily override this with Jupyter Notebook dir =/path when launching, or change the shortcut /desktop entry that starts Jupyter. You do this to ensure both manual launches and automated starts use the correct. Finish by restarting Jupyter and verifying the new default appears in the Notebook UI and when you create new notebooks. If you run Jupyter as a service, update that service's start command or systemd unit so it uses the edited config or the notebook dir flag. Make sure file system permissions allow Jupyter to read and write in the chosen folder. If things go wrong, check for multiple config files or an environment variable overriding settings. That single mismatch is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.